So you can set it like that.
Hola. Hello.
You just dribbled.
Fun.
Yeah.
Sad for summer.
Well.
This looks very... Go out.
Come on, buddy. Really cool building. So I have new beauty course coming today about lash retention.
Lash retention. What's are you filming?
How to get the most volume out of your lashes. Hey.
You are. Over here. How crowded is that? I can make it
Oh, this is so cool.
Airbnb.
They're not paddle.
Just got it here like this. Hi. How do I get out?
This is well nice. That's alright.
Yeah.
Probably like maybe half.
Because we have a few members that
Oh, cool.
and access both here and in the main.
Oh, I didn't walk straight. Yeah.
See upstairs. And we just do community chess.
Nice.
We have a session, we do workshops with
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, in Valencia. We went to go see a very cool co-working space. Stream in the morning, and it's a private office. We can take Benji. We can take the trading setup and leave it there.
Yes.
Look at this, nice. A nice 390 here on the day. Called these nice buys in the London session. You can see me in the reflection. Called these nice buys in the London session. Where we actually took an initial loss. But what I was basically saying on stream is, you get a lot of people trying to short here, sitting stops above us. We were trying to buy up into where most people were trying to sell. Now, unfortunately, it did range a lot. We did take an initial loss, but again, you know, sometimes that's the market, and sometimes you do have to give it a second chance. So once we broke out here, got right back in, let the trade do its thing. You ended up pushing up over 100 ticks. So from being down minus 300, I'm now plus 390, basically 400. So yeah, initial loss, accept it, wait. Once the trade becomes valid again, get right back in. It was a beautiful trade. All right, guys, just a quick one for you. After tons of requests, I'm finally releasing the Liquidity Edge program on September the 28th because I've proven and created the system on how to get you to pass your prop firm challenge and, more importantly, actually keep your funded account long term. Now, it's not out yet, but I want to give you guys the opportunity to sign up early to see how it actually works and how it can help you guys become consistently profitable traders in the next 90 days and get it before anyone else. So I've left the link below. All you need to do is just drop your email and it will literally take you 5 seconds and you can get right back to the video. So I'll see you guys there. Look at this. Trading, we don't have the screens here, but you usually have the screens here as well. We're trading from here with this beautiful view out here. Look at this. Ooh, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Very, very, very hot. But tomorrow we're going to be streaming from a different place because we just got an office for the next 2 months, which is going to be cool. So going to have that there to go work from, stream from in the morning, give us a nice half an hour walk to get there, and then keep home and just trade from there, and then, you know, stream and trade in the morning. Good thing about being here in Europe is we're done for the day by 12 o'clock. Sometimes a little bit later depending on what the markets give, but for the most part, gold's given great positions before New York Open. We're typically done. If you'd like to trade New York Open, great, you can. But for me personally, Trading here in Europe, you get pre-London, London Open and pre-New York. Absolutely more than enough to get amazing opportunities. So tomorrow we'll go there and I'll give you guys a good office tour as well. Oh, trading done for the day. Hammock time. Come on, Sammy, come in the hammock. Come in the hammock, buddy. Where are you? Oh, I'm vlogging, taking my hot and tired trading setup in this backpack. Let's go.
What are we doing?
Going to the office.
Schoolwork. When are we doing it?
Homework.
No.
Alright guys, welcome to the new office. Gonna get set up here properly, get the trading set up in here, but it's a pretty decent space. Streaming in literally 20 minutes, so set up. First, let's go get coffee. The most important part. Ooh. Which one do we want? Well, these two are the lowest, so I'm going to assume they're the best. What you got there, buddy? Bye office, day one. Day one at the office. Little meeting rooms. Look at this, little cool rooms. Then you got upstairs. When you come upstairs, you got this cool area in here. Nice little chill out spot. Can't play chess, but you could play chess there. Where's our photo? Why do we not get a photo? Let's get out there. It's beautiful. Now it's nice breeze.
Okay, where's the bus?
Bus? How can you be a trader if you get the bus?
Yeah, how come?
You're brokey or something? Bus is down this way.
Fair.
Private limousine is down this way. Follow me. All thanks to trading, Forex.
And crypto.
And crypto. Swipe up. Alright people, it's gym time. Look at this gym complex we've joined. It's absolutely amazing. It kind of feels like Bali actually. There's like tennis courts over there, paddle courts, there's a big swimming pool over there, cafe here. And the gym's like outdoors, which is actually pretty sweet. Look at this. Look at this, it's huge, all paddle courts. And there's even a gym inside as well. But this is, and it's dead, it's siesta time. Perfect time to get at it when everyone's having an afternoon siesta, although I'd love one. We're getting the workout in, it's leg day. Yeah, it's a nice breeze. And it's hot, it's September. What, middle of September, what's the date?
Pardon?
Middle of September, and it's 28 degrees.
It was 32.
32, wow. Sick, what a beautiful day. 6:30. Still beautiful skies. Oh, it smells amazing, it smells like pesto.
Pesto.
Yum. Wow. Wow, that looks amazing. Chorizo hot dog. Wow, that's amazing. And chicken fingers. So much food. That was the best meal that we've had so far in Spain.
And you're drunk.
No, you're drunk. You had a cocktail, you're drunk. It's embarrassing.
It was the best.
It was absolutely delicious. Look at this. Alright guys, trade that was taken live on fast markets yesterday. We hit highs of about 70 ticks, ended up locking about 50 ticks in profit. I want to show you guys the trade. Now, I didn't take it at the biggest of size, but the reasons behind the trade are very, very key. And it was also absolutely perfect management, which is also what I want to show you guys, how to manage your trades. And always remember to see their markets from that neutral perspective. We had CPI yesterday before, and goes, is that replay mode? Yeah, I'm recapping a trade that happened yesterday, believe it or not. So we had this very nice move up yesterday off CPI. We're seeing gold have a very nice spike higher. Now, what I was kind of waiting to see here is how that next candle played out post CPI. And what I kind of saw was gold finding some very nice resistance. Now, what does gold love to do? It loves to tease people in trying to jump in these shorts too early, risking off previous highs before, having that pushback lower. Now, what does gold love to do? Gold loves to come up and tag previous highs or lows before having that real move. So I kind of looked at this and I go, okay, cool. I believe lower time frame, most people are probably trying to get short here. And where would they be risking off? They would be risking off this CPI high. And that's why I kind of said on stream, you guys can go back and watch fast markets from the 11th of September. I was saying to the guys on the top step, I believe a lot of people are trying to sell here and sit in stops above. And I want to see price come up and fill in that CPI wick, because that's typically what we see with these news. These news wicks can typically get filled. Now, why was I targeting the highs, not the lows? Well, you were coming back to the highs without grabbing them. So to me, big level, people jump in shorts, stop sitting above. Now, I was very patient with this trade because we were pretty choppy. However, I wanted to see that 30-minute close. So Once this 30-minute close nice and bullish here, what I'm basically anticipating is this next 30 minutes going to come down for a bottom wick before coming right back to all of these highs here. So I got long on the flip of the 30-minute, which if I show you guys down to the 15-minute time frame, what we did also do, which was actually very nice, is same thing to the lows. What does price love to do before having the real move? Loves to come down, tag lows, before then coming right back up for the highs. So I got long on the next 15. I'll buy it from here because it was pretty much around here. So we were getting long here on gold, and initially we were targeting all the way back up at these highs. So about $1,000 trade, 140 plus tick trade, and risking off, which I was saying live on stream, is any closure against me back below this level, I would be looking to exit the trade. So my risk was, I don't want to cancel, but my risk was around maybe 40 ticks. And if we, next 15 came down, tagged the lows. So this is where I actually got long off this candle here, off the flip of the body. Now, what did this do? Came down, tagged the lows. Therefore, that's a very valid stop because that's my liquidity grab. So I'm tagging, if we re-break this low, I don't want to be in the trade. And then what I was also saying on stream is we do have big big resistance above, which was this previous hourly high. As we were tagging this previous hourly high, and that's then where I was saying to guys, this is where we want to stay neutral. Although I would love to see price break these highs and continue ripping higher. What I want to see and what are going to happen are two very different things. We have been range bound today and we could still range, therefore it's going to skip it forward. But as price was tagging these highs, I decided to get out of the trade pretty much around here at like 50 ticks. Before then, you ended up coming right back down to my entry. So perfect management and a perfect execution. Management all based off previous highs and lows on the higher time frame. And this is why the higher time frame on gold is absolutely key. If you can get good at reading the higher time frame, your day trading journey is going to be much easier. Now, if you skip it on, you end up coming right the way back down. Before then, look at that. Came all the way back up for them CPI highs. And the more you reject from this level, which is the same as another trade that I took on Wednesday, the more you reject from this level, the more likely people are to jump in shorts, set the stops above, and the more likely you are to see gold rip higher. The exact same thing happened here on Wednesday as well. We spoke about these highs and this level up here on gold on our Wednesday London live stream on the Top Step channel, saying most would be short in here, stops above, and we got some amazing buys up into that level as well. So again, higher time frame is the absolute key here. If gold hasn't grabbed a previous high or low, that becomes your targets, and you're trying to buy up into where most people are trying to sell. So great trade on the Top Step fast market stream. Hope to be on them soon. I appreciate you guys who did come along and said hello. Whenever I do go on soon, I'll absolutely let you guys know. But that's London stream for the day. So probably gonna go head out now, go maybe get some breakfast and gold in a little bit of a range here. Maybe see if we get some trades for the rest of the day. So let's go.
A little bit on open interest. You said you're just doing that manually every. What I back test is, and it was funny because as I was looking, I've just gone in my head.
What you got in the bag? Football?
Watermelon.
Mini ice creams.
Daddy?
Should we go to the park, buddy? Alright guys, I've got a hack for you guys who are upcoming in your traveling and trading journey. Now this is one thing I actually used to do a lot, which I actually forgot was a thing until recently, and it's an app called Too Good To Go. I used to do this when I was in like Portugal, loads of different places where I've made these videos, where you go on this app and you can actually find local restaurants near you where you can pay like 2-3 euros, and they'll basically give you like all of the menu that's left in the restaurant for free, but you don't know what you're gonna get. So you kind of go on the app, you pick the restaurant, and then you go there, and then they just give you whatever they have left over, which is an amazing way to get like super cheap food, and it's pretty fun. So we're gonna go there now. We're gonna go find a place, and it's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna bring you guys along, and we're gonna see what we get. So haven't done this in a long time. I'm bringing Kate along, so let's go see what we get. We're actually doing it with a bit of a naughty donut place, but you can actually do it like proper restaurants, so you don't have to actually eat bad. But we found a little bakery. How much was it?
3 euros.
3 euros. We did another one the other day actually, where we paid like 2 or 3 euros. 3 euros? 2 euros, and we got like pizza, some croissants, like some other different pastries, like really good stuff. So this one we've paid 3 euros for, and I'll show you guys what we get. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's gonna be a complete surprise. So let's go find out.
15 euros.
Wow.
Yeah.
But like I said, you guys can just go on it. You know, if they have it in your place, it's cool. But you can find restaurants, bakery, groceries, like so much stuff for you guys who are traveling and trading on a budget and maybe you just want to eat out one time. I wish I had some clips in my earlier traveling and trading journeys, but I didn't do this then, so I'll upload some screenshots so you guys can see. But one time I had like vegan food, like they gave me like a free green tea, like loads of cool stuff. So hopefully this one lives up to this expectation. Oh no, run, Sammy, let's go.
Donuts!
I've sent in Kate to get the goods. Me and Sammy are waiting here. Let's see what we get, buddy. You got the goods. They already had it wrapped up.
It's like 5 of them.
Do we save it for home?
Should we have a sneak peek? Camera, you're not allowed to look. Close your eyes.
I'm not allowed to look.
No, neither of us are. You ready? Your eyes closed?
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can see it. Okay, go.
Oh, wait, it's like a...
Wait, let's look. Oh, wow. That looks like there's a lot.
Wait, it's not a bag. It's just packaging.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, let's have a look when we get back. Got the goods. Let's see.
Surprise
What are we
bag
gonna get?
What's your guess?
My guess is some croissants and a donut, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't think much, but maybe. Let's see.
I reckon like a muffin.
Whoa.
There's bacon.
Whoa, what the hell? Wow. See, this is why it's good fun. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Me. What's this?
What's that? It's like a bacon egg sandwich. What the hell?
Oh, so
wow.
mine.
Oh, cool. What is that?
Oh, yum. Does that have custard in it?
Wow, that's a long...
Oh.
That's a thin, long croissant.
What is it? Oh, this is like what we got from the other bakery.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no, it's not. It's like a pizza one, babe. It's got like sun-dried tomatoes in it.
The thing with the Too Good To Go app is you have to leave reviews so other Too Good To Go users know whether it's good or not. What are we giving this?
Out of 5 or 10?
5. They do it out of 5 on the app.
3.5?
Yeah.
Maybe 3 because I don't think they do halves.
Yeah, I was going to give it a 3. I mean, it's a decent amount of food, but I've had the one we had yesterday was way better.
Quantity good.
Yeah.
Some snacks were good, but if you were craving a sweet treat, it would not have hit the spot.
No.
But because we weren't really craving it and we had it.
But usually, the one we had Friday?
Yeah, 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Yeah, Friday. That was
Sensational.
top tier. That was 5 out of 5.
This isn't bad. Yeah, I get that.
Yeah,
5 out of 5.
that thing's quite good. That's the only thing that's actually quite good. And that's actually a video I want to do for you guys one time before I did this whole documenting journey here on YouTube, which I wish I started earlier, which I absolutely encourage all of you guys to do. Is I used to do, traveling and trading on a very tight budget, and I used to live very cheap. And you don't need to be making, thousands and thousands and thousands a month to be able to do the whole travel trading journey. You need consistency, but you can absolutely do it on a budget as well. So maybe one time we'll go back to the roots of how I used to do it on a massive budget, and we'll set ourselves a certain euro amount. We'll go stay at the cheaper places. We'll go do the whole grocery store shopping that I used to do to reduce all of my outgoings. So if that is a video you guys do want me to do, and you want me to show you how to maybe do the traveling trading journey on a budget, then I can absolutely do that video. So you guys let me know in the comments below if you want to see that, and we'll do it. We'll get back to the roots, because I've been doing this whole travel trading journey for like 6+ years now. So obviously, as the trading capital has scaled, so is the lifestyle, of course, but you can never forget where the roots started. So in another video, we'll absolutely do that here in Spain. All right, guys, if you did get value from this video and you're serious about actually finally passing your prop firm challenge, more importantly, keeping it long term, and to finally scale past 10K a month, then I've absolutely got something coming for you guys. This is where I am launching the Liquidity Edge program. This will be on September the 28th, and it's designed to help traders just like you become consistently profitable in the next 90 days. Now, like I say, it's not live yet, but if you do want early access, hit the link in the description, drop your email, and you'll be the first to see this before anyone else. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.